Essay, a piece of writing. Esteem, respect. Ever, at any time. Example, something that shows how something is done. Exchange, to give something and receive something else in return. Exercise, physical activity. Export, to send something to another country. Eye-catching, attractive. Eyelash, a hair that grows on the edge of the eyelid. Factual, based on facts. Falcon, a bird of prey. Famous, well-known. Farmstead, a farm. Faucet, a tap. Fearless, not afraid. Ferret, a small animal with a long body. Festival, a celebration. Fidget, to move about nervously. Field, an area of land. Film strip, a series of photographs on a strip of film. Fizzling, making a hissing sound. Flavor, the taste of something. Fleece, the wool of a sheep. Foliage, leaves and branches. Footstep, a step. Foresight, the ability to predict what will happen. Forestry, the science of managing forests. Formula, a set of instructions for making something. Forthright, honest and direct. Framed, surrounded by a frame. Frank, honest and open. Freaky, strange or unusual. Frightful, scary. Frown, to wrinkle your forehead to show disapproval. Fudge, a sweet treat made from chocolate and sugar. Funnel, a tube that is wide at one end and narrow at the other. Furry, covered in fur. Gadget, a small, useful device. Gala, a special occasion. Galaxy, a large group of stars. Garden, a piece of land where plants are grown. Garment, a piece of clothing. Garnish, to decorate food. Gathering, a group of people who have come together. Generous, giving freely. Genius, a very intelligent person. Gentlefolk, people of high social class. Geology, the study of the earth. German, a person from Germany. Germ-free, free from germs. Giggle, to laugh in a light, silly way. Giraffe, a tall animal with a long neck. Glassblower, someone who makes things from glass. Glimpse, a quick look. Gloomy, sad and dark. Goalpost, a structure used in the game of football. Goggles, protective glasses. Gosling, a young goose. Grader, someone who grades papers. Granite, a hard, gray rock. Graph, a chart or diagram. Gravity, the force that pulls objects towards the earth. Gravy, a sauce made from meat juices. Greedy, wanting more than you need. Griddle, a flat surface used for cooking food.
Grime, dirt.
Grungy, dirty and untidy. Guardian, someone who protects or takes care of someone else. Guide, someone who shows people around a place. Guitar, a stringed instrument.
Gumme, sticky. Gusto, enthusiasm.
Hairdresser, someone who cuts and styles hair. Hallway, a passageway between rooms. Halt, to stop. Handful, a small amount. Handsaw, a saw with a handle. Hapless, unlucky. Harmonica, a small, mouth-blown instrument. Harp, a stringed instrument. Harvest, the gathering of crops. Hateful, full of hate. Hawk, a bird of prey. Head first, with the head first. Healer, someone who cures people. Heavenly wonderful. Hefty, heavy. Hemline, the bottom edge of a skirt or dress. Heritage, a person's family history. Hip bone, a bone in the hip. Hispanic, a person from a Spanish-speaking country. History, the study of past events. Horse, having a rough, deep voice. Honorable, worthy of respect. Hotel, a place where people can pay to stay overnight. Hottest, the most hot. Housemaid, someone who cleans a house. Humid, damp. Hurricane, a very strong storm. Hurried, done quickly. Igloo, a house made of ice. Illness, a disease. Image, a picture. Immune, protected from disease. Impact, effect. Imprint, a mark or impression. Imprison, to put someone in jail. Incoming, arriving. Index, a list of words or subjects. Indigo, a dark blue color. Infest, to fill something with pests. Inform, to tell someone something. Inherit, to receive something from someone who has died. Injury and injury. Inkling, a slight feeling or hint. Inland, far from the coast. Inquest, an investigation. Inscribe, to write something on something. Insertion, the act of putting something in. Insulate, to protect something from heat or cold. Interest, a feeling of curiosity or excitement. Intrude, to enter a place without being invited. Inventive, creative. Irish, a person from Ireland. Iron, a metal. Irritate, to make someone annoyed. Jabbed, to poke someone with something sharp. Jacket, a coat. Jailbird, someone who spends a lot of time in jail. Janitor, someone who cleans a building. Jawbone, a bone in the jaw. Jelly, a sweet food made from fruit or other ingredients. Journal, a diary. June, the 6th month of the year. Junior, a younger person. Kennel, a place where dogs are kept. Keynote, the main speech at a meeting. Kidnap, to take someone away by force. Kindness, the quality of being kind. Kitty, a kitten. Knuckle, the joint at the end of a finger. Cook, an eccentric person. Landing, the act of coming to the ground. Landscape, the scenery in a particular place. Larva, the young form of an insect. Lately, recently. Latitude, the distance north or south of the equator. Lavender, a purple flower. Lawyer, someone who gives legal advice. Leader, someone who is in charge.